Hello guys! Welcome to Magical Drawing Adventure where you guys can learn and having fun with drawing. Alright, in today's video we're going to draw tomato. Alright, let's jump to the paper together. Okay, alright, in the first I need you to make a circle shape. So we're going to start like this. Alright, so from here you can start like this. Alright, just all the way like this and then go to this. Alright, once you have this, then you can take care of the branch over here. So you basically make it like this kind of shape, like 1 2 3 4. Right, after that you need to make something like this. So right, then here also something like that. Alright, then after that you just connect this to here, then this one to here, then after that you have a little bit like this. Okay, then after that you can make another tomato here. So you can start like this. So 1 2 3 4 5. Then after that you give the same branch like that. Right, then from here you can have a circle shape like this also. Right, then connect to this one. All right, then after that, this is the fun part, you can have a facial expression. So from here I will give a facial like this. 1, all right, then 2 here. Okay, then I will give a small circle inside here and then the same thing here. Right, then you guys just give a black color here. Right, okay, then in here. Okay, right, hope you guys learned something today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. So after this you can have this one mouth shape like this, then smiley mouth face like that. All right, then you can have a teeth like this, then you have tongue like this. Right, perfect guys. So after that you need to give this expression here for this other tomato. So I will give the simple one like this, and then this one is like this. All right, okay, this is the teeth and this is the tongue. Alright guys, this is the shape of the tomato. Then I will give the color and then you guys follow the coloring process. I will speed up the video. Let's go. Alright guys, this is the final result of tomato. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys learning something today. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye.